And that is their national pastime. They're all chickens. The white flag is their national flag, remember? Like my granddad said, the last time he went up the beach in France, he never needed a passport. They were welcoming him. Now they're like, have you got a passport? I didn't want that last time we were saving around.
Hey, look! Blindly Citadella Hipper.
It's just that shimakaze.
Here comes fucking Shimakaze torpedoes. Look at that. Look at the...
What?
That,
Oh, wait. I'm waiting for this. You know
hey,
what?
that's more than one Shimakaze. That's a lot of torpedoes.
This.
That's like 30 torpedoes in the water. I don't like this shit. I'm not going A anymore.
I've just took a screenshot. Anyone for talks? Oh, Bismarck broadside. Is that a love tap?